My name's Kip. I'm the owner of Folkers Window Company. Welcome to another edition of Fun Facts with Folkers. Today we're going to start talking about installation materials, the screws and the caulk and those sort of things that we use to install windows and doors and why that's important. All right, the first aspect of the installation is we don't use junk material. So for windows and our doors and our shutters and our screws and our caulk, we use high-grade materials. We want you to have a pleasurable experience. We want this stuff to last for a long time, so we do it the right way. So the first thing we're going to talk about is stainless steel screws. What we do is we use stainless steel screws, we use stainless steel fasteners, and those stainless steel fasteners are designed not to rust so that they last longer. In our saltwater and our high humidity type of environment, you won't have rust and degradation of the fasteners holding the things into your house. All right, the second most important part of the installation is the caulk. We use high-grade silicone-based caulks that are designed not to shrink, not to degrade, and that way you'll have a nice tight seal around your windows and doors for a long time. For interior caulks, we use high-grade paintable-based caulks for the interior so that you can paint them after we install it, allowing you to make sure that your colors match and you have a nice aesthetic feel to your home from the inside. And lastly, to fill any cracks and crevices, we use high-grade pink insulation instead of foam insulation. The expandable foams, even if they're low expanding or no expanding, they expand. If we put expandable foam in cracks and crevices, that expansion is going to cause problems. So we fill cracks and crevices with pink insulation so that you get a nice tight seal. On top of all those great materials we use, we do not use subcontractors. All of our installers work for Folkers. That way they do it the Folkers way. They use Folkers materials, and we make sure that you get a good quality installation. So as you can see, with high quality materials and no subcontractors, you're going to get a great job and a great installation, and your windows and doors and your products will last a long, long time. So again, thanks for joining us for this episode of Fun Facts with Folkers.